Are your fish dying mysteriously? Smelling something strange from your pond? Then you need to hear this because your water might be the silent killer. Welcome to Aquamarket 7, where we turn everyday fish farmers into professionals. Today, we're diving into water quality management in aquaculture, why it matters, what to test, and how to maintain the perfect environment for your fish to thrive. Whether you're farming catfish, tilapia, or shrimp, this guide is for you. Why water quality is critical. Think of water like air to fish. Just like we can't breathe polluted air, fish can't survive in bad water. Poor water means stress, disease, low growth, and even death. Here are a few key problems caused by poor water quality. Low oxygen leads to gasping or floating. Ammonia burns fish gills and reduces immunity. Sudden pH changes can stunt growth. Dirty, stagnant water increases disease outbreaks. Here are parameters to monitor. Let's break down the top 5 water quality parameters, explained in the simplest way possible. Small blue diamond 1. Dissolved oxygen, DO. Fish need oxygen just like we do. If oxygen levels are too low, you'll see fish gasping at the surface. You should maintain DO at 5 mg per liter or higher. Use aerators, avoid overstocking, and always feed during cooler hours. Small blue diamond 2. This is the acidity or alkalinity of your water. Ideal range is 6.5 to 8.5. If it's too low, add lime. If it's too high, organic matter or water exchange can help lower it. Always use a pH test kit, not guesswork. Small blue diamond 3. Ammonia. Ammonia comes from leftover feed and fish waste. High ammonia burns the fish's gills and slows growth. To fix this, reduce feeding, do water changes, and manage stocking density. Small blue diamond 4. Temperature. Temperature controls feeding, oxygen levels, and growth. Ideal range is 26 to 30 degrees Celsius for most tropical species. Use a thermometer daily. Small blue diamond 5. Turbidity. That's water clarity. If the water is too muddy or green, it stresses the fish and blocks sunlight. Fix this by using natural filters like aquatic plants or partial water changes. And don't forget your daily, weekly, and monthly water routines. Now, here's how to structure your water management routines. Daily, observe fish behavior, check oxygen and temperature. Don't overfeed. Weekly, test pH, partial water change, 10 to 20%, clear filters. Monthly, test for ammonia and nitrate, remove sludge from the pond bottom, watch for foul odor, foam, or algae buildup. Before you continue with the video, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share to fellow farmer and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any fish farming tips. Low-cost tools you can use. You don't need expensive tools to get started. These basic ones will do the job. pH test kit, affordable and easy to use. Thermometer, check temperature daily. Basic aerator or paddle wheel if budget allows. Notebook, daily logs help you detect problems early. Bonus tips and mistakes to avoid, 7 to 8 o'clock. Let's wrap up with some common mistakes that could cost you your harvest. Don't overstock your pond, don't feed blindly. Always observe fish first, don't ignore testing. What you don't measure, you can't manage. Clean your pond and monitor corners where dead zones form. And I want you to know that fish farming is science, not guesswork. Manage your water, and your fish will reward you with faster growth, fewer diseases, and higher profits. Speech balloon got questions? Drop them in the comments. Inbox tray want a free water testing checklist? Comment water, and we'll send it to you. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart aquaculture tips.